Anise, or anise, is well known for its distinct and strong taste, which makes it a popular addition to many drinks. Not only is anise known for its culinary uses, but it has many health-promoting abilities. One popular way to obtain the great health benefits of anise is to make anise seed tea. The recipe is quite simple and can be made at home. All you will need is 2 to 3 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of anise seeds, 1 black tea bag, and 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey for taste. Combine all of the ingredients into a saucepan and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and allow the ingredients to simmer for about 5 minutes. Strain and pour the liquid into a cup, let cool to your desired temperature, and enjoy. This recipe should allow for 2 servings to be made. Now, let's discuss the amazing health benefits of anise seed tea. First, although you do not need to use anise seeds in high amounts, this tea is a great way to add nutrition to your diet. Anise seed tea is a good source of iron, manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium, among others. It is also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Anise seed tea can also help to balance and regulate blood sugar levels, which makes it helpful for those individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the disease. Research has shown that anise seeds and anise seed tea contains active ingredients that can help with keeping blood sugar levels healthy. Studies have shown that it can help to reduce high blood sugar levels by benefiting key enzymes in this regard, while also enhancing the function of the pancreas. This tea can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the entire body, including chronic inflammation. This allows anise seed tea to help provide benefits for those individuals suffering from arthritis, while also decreasing the risk of a number of different chronic diseases, such as heart disease. Anise seed tea is also high in antioxidants, which can help to reduce swelling, pain, and oxidative stress. Lastly, anise seed tea can help to boost our overall immunity. It has tremendous antibacterial and antifungal effects that can prevent unwanted infections. Its potent antimicrobial properties can also help to boost immunity, along with its potent antioxidants and high levels of nutrition.